Dear students, in this video I am going to explain how to solve problem number 12. This question already appeared in the examination which carries 12 marks. Please see problem. A fire occurred in the premises of H Company Limited on 6th September 2020. 2020 is considered as current year. All stocks were destroyed except to the extent of rupees 6,200. Stock salvaged 6,200. This one taken into account in step 3. From the following figures, ascertain the loss suffered by the company. Point A, stock on 1st January 2019, rupees 36,000. In this problem, information relating to last year given, 2019. With the help of last year information, you have to prepare trading account and ascertain gross profit and find out rate of gross profit on sales. Understand? Next, point B, purchase during 2019, 1,45,000. Last year purchase comes in trading account under step 1. Point number C, sales during 2019, 2 lakhs. Okay, last year sales comes in step 1. Next, point number D, stock on 31st December 2019, rupees 22,500. Last year stocks appears twice, once in trading account and another once in memorandum trading account. Step 1, step 2. Okay. Next, point number E, purchase during 2020 up to the date of fire, 1,46,000. Current year purchases comes in memorandum trading account debit side. Sales for the above period, 1,89,000. Current year sales comes in memorandum trading account credit side. It was the practice of the firm to value stock at cost less 10%. Both opening stock and closing stock undervalued by 10%. Okay, we have to show 100% of the stock. Hence, ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 100 divided by 90. Understand? Next, early in 2020 the sale price was raised by 5%. 2020 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು 5% ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 100% ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ, 105% ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, if sale price raised, then we can see changes in gross profit. Okay, ಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, yes, these are the information given in the problem. Okay, what are the steps to be followed? First, step 1, prepare trading account, ascertain gross profit and find out rate of gross profit on sales. After that, find out adjusted rate of gross profit and sales of 2020. Completed. Next, step 2, prepare memorandum trading account and ascertain value of stock on the date of fire. Next, step 3, prepare statement of fire insurance claim. Completed. Yes, we shall work out one by one. Okay, next, write down solution. Next, write down books of H Company Limited. Okay, next line, write down step 1. In the middle of the page, write down trading account for the period ending 31st December 2019. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amount column. Please take information relating to last year. 2019ಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಎಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆನ್ 1st January 2019 36,000. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್, ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 36,000 ಅಂಡರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬೈ 10%. ಓಕೆ, 36,000 into 100 divided by 90. How much is it? 40,000. Completed. Next, purchases of last year 1,45,000. Write down 2 purchases 1,45,000. Next, write down sales, last year sales 2 lakhs. Write down buy sales 2 lakhs. Completed. Next, please see problem. Point number D, stock on 31st December 2019. Okay, this is also undervalued. Okay, yes, write in bracket. First of all, write buy closing stock. Next, write in bracket 22,500 into 100 divided by 90. How much is it? 25,000. Write in amount column. Okay, next, find out whether wages or direct expenses given in the problem. No. Okay, next, leave 2 lines. Find out which side shows more balance. Credit side shows more balance. Right, credit side 2 lakh plus 25,000. How much? 2,25,000. Write it in debit side 2,25,000. Okay, 2,25,000 minus 40,000 minus 1,45,000. How much is it? 40,000. Check it. Yes, 40,000. In front of the amount, write down gross profit to gross profit. Write in bracket balancing figure. Next, find out rate of gross profit on sales. Okay, equal to, write down formula, gross profit into 100 divided by sales. Next, find out percentage. Gross profit you already calculated, 40,000 into 100 divided by sales of last year you already recorded in credit side. Okay, buy sales anta bardidira, adanna entry ಮಾಡಿ 2 lakhs. Simplify it. Is it 20%? Yes, 20%. Okay, rate of gross profit on sales 20%. Okay, next, please see last sentence. Early in 2020 the sale price was raised by 5%. ಓಕೆ, 2020ಯ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ನೀವು 20% ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 2019. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ in the year 2020. Okay, yes, first write down 2019. Let us assume that selling price was 100%. Okay, last column write down 100%. If selling price was 100%, then profit how much? Gross profit how much? You already calculated 20%. Write down third amount column. Okay, understand? Next, what is cost price? Cost price is nothing but selling price minus profit. Okay, equal to 80%. Okay, completed. Next, find out profit of 2020. Okay, 2020. First write down selling price. Okay, earlier 2020 selling price was raised by 5%. It means, okay, selling price, if selling price is 100, it was raised by 5, means you have to add 5 to 100. Okay, how much is it? 105%. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 5% ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 105, 105 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 105. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್. Okay, then profit how much? You already know, gross profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price 105 current year minus current year cost. How much? 80. Right in bracket, 105 minus 80 equal to 25%. 25% is current year rate of gross profit on sales. Okay, you have to take this percentage, 25%, under step 2 while computing gross profit on sales. Okay, next write down step 2 in the middle of the page. Write down memorandum trade account for the period ending 6th September 2020. Okay, the date in which fire occurred. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. Okay, yes, please take data relating to current year except one item, that is last year closing stock becomes current year opening stock. Please see step 1. Okay, buy closing stock you already recorded 25,000. Buy closing stock you already recorded 25,000. Okay, last year closing stock becomes current year opening stock. Write down to opening stock 25,000. Completed. Next write one by one data of current year. Okay, point number E, purchase during 2020 1,40,000, 46,000, 1,46,000. Write down two purchases 1,46,000. Next, please see problem. Sales for the above period 1,89,000, current year sales. Write down credit side, buy sales 1,89,000. Completed. Next, in the problem, wages and other direct expenses not given. Okay, next find out gross profit. Write down first two gross profit. Next write in bracket current year sales 1,89,000 into percentage of gross profit. You already computed 25%. Current year gross profit 25%. Okay, divided by sales. Is it 100 or 105%? Please see table, adjusted rate of gross profit and sales 2020. Last column 105%. Okay, write down 105. 1,89,000 into 25 divided by 105. How much? Is it 45,000? Write down 45,000. Yes, gross profit computed. Yes, find out value of stock on the date of hire. First of all, find out which side shows more balance. Debit side shows more balance. Total it 25,000 plus 1,46,000, 1,71,000 plus 45,000, 2,16,000. Write down debit side 2,16,000. Check it. Yes, correct. Next write it in credit side 2,16,000. Find out the difference. 2,16,000 minus 1,89,000. How much? Is it 27,000? Okay, write down 27,000. Okay, credit side above total. In front of the total, write down buy closing stock. Write in bracket balancing figure. Value of stock on the date of fire. Okay, we ascertained value of stock on the date of fire 27,000. Next, prepare step 3. Write down statement of fire insurance claim. Draw 2 columns. Please take value of stock on the date of fire as starting point. Write down amount column 27,000. Next, write down less stock salvaged. Please see problem. Stock salvaged given. All stocks were destroyed except to the extent of 6,200. Okay, deduct that one. Less stock salvaged 6,200. How much? Is it 20,800? Yes, 20,800. Please see problem. Average cost given in the problem. Okay, not given. Yes. Actual loss of stock, nothing but amount of fire claim. Okay. Amount of fire claim ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ actual loss of stock ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. These are some information relating to computation of amount of fire claim. Thank you.